Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage, revoke, and pause invites on Discord. Click the server name dropdown at the top of the channel list to open the server menu. Select server settings from that menu to open the settings page. In the left sidebar, click Invites to see all your active invite links. To revoke an invite, click the X button at the end of any invite row and it'll be deleted immediately. Now click the Pause Invites button at the top right to open the Security Actions modal. Click the Duration dropdown to see your time options. For this example, I'm selecting 1 hour, then the dropdown closes. Click the Pause Invites toggle to turn it on and prevent new members from joining. You can toggle it off again at any time to resume invites. Click Save to apply your changes, and the modal closes. To create a fresh invite, click Create Invite Link, and the Invite Friends modal opens. When you're done, click the X to close the modal, and you're back at the Invites page. Each invite link shows who created it and how many times it's been used, so you can track which links are most active. Paused invites only block new members from joining through invite links. Existing members can still access the server normally. If you revoke an invite by mistake, you'll need to create a new one, as revoked links can't be restored. The Pause Invites feature is useful when you need to temporarily lock down your server during raids or spam attacks. And that's how to manage, revoke, and pause invites on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.